Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Today we are going to be unboxing the K&N High Flow Air Filter Washable Reusable Performance, designed to increase horsepower and acceleration. This one is part number E-0945. I am going to be using it in a 1997 Ford F-150 XLT V8 4.6 liter. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. It's a pretty big air filter, but it's a big engine. So you get the air filter, you get a sticker for your toolbox, you get about the warranty, and I dropped it on the floor here. You get a cool sticker for your car that you can put on where your air filter goes, so if you ever bring it to the shop, they don't end up throwing it away. So let's check out the air filter here. Alright, here it is. So, it's already pre-oiled for you. You don't have to buy the cleaning or oiling kit or oil for the filter to start. That's why it's red. It's put together with a metal piece. Has screen around the pleats. There's the inside. And very high quality. Very nice filters. So, that is the K&N E-0945 High Performance Air Filter. I hope this helped you out if you wanted to know what it looked like before you buy one. Made in the USA. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us out. I'll see you guys later.